Okay, hi others, how are you doing?
I'm well, sir. And what about you?
I'm good, I'm good. So I have gone through your resume. So you are right now studying or you are already completed?
Completed.
Which
Uh,
year, which year you passed out?
yeah, 2024. Only 10 days back.
Okay, 10 days back. Nice, congratulations.
10 days ago, I have passed out from my BTech.
Okay, so you have mentioned, okay, can you please introduce yourself nicely
Yes,
so
sir.
that?
Uh, this side others, and currently I have completed my BTech from Kanpur Institute of Technology,
Mhm.
which is the most famous, which is affiliated with the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and CSJMU. And I have completed my education from HL School Kurwa, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, which is most probably famous for the manufacturing of the aeronautical things like black boxes.
Mhm.
And in my family members, I have 5 members. I have 2 sisters and one single brother, and I have mother and father. My father have a own business, metal business, and currently I am studied and searching for the job, and I'm also share market investor right now.
Okay, great, great. So what technologies you have worked on in
Yes,
college
sir.
and what kind of technology you have worked on or what projects you have done?
Sir, I have done electronic voting system on
Mhm.
my project.
Okay, okay. Any technology? What technology you have worked on? Programming languages?
C++, and I have basic most technical knowledge of the SQL,
Mm-hmm.
structured query language,
Mm-hmm.
and database or DBMS or SQL
Mm-hmm.
data, yes, sir, DSA,
Okay,
HTML, CSS, and that's enough.
okay, okay. So I have got a few questions to you. So basically you are applying as a fresher, right?
Yes, sir.
So how can you rate yourself from 10? How good you are in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Java, whatever technology you have worked on? Let's start with HTML. How much you can rate from 10?
Sir, in the HTML, I have rating myself from the 10 is 8 in HTML.
Okay. CSS?
Sir, CSS, 8.
Okay. JavaScript?
The JavaScripts are 6.
Okay. And Java?
Java 6.
So let's start with a little bit of HTML. First of all, tell me what is the best place to use a script tag? So you have a HTML file, you have a
Yes, sir.
JavaScript file, you are linking a JavaScript file with the HTML file. So what is the best place to have the script tag? Because through the script tag you will
Sir,
add.
if we use the extension for the script tag, so it's most beneficial
Mhm.
because after using the extension tag in another web page, so it's make our code shorter.
Mhm. No, you did not understand what I'm saying. So you are having HTML file, okay,
Yes, sir.
where you write the HTML. You have a CSS file where you write the CSS, and you have a JS file where you write the JavaScript, right? Now, how these three will work when you link the CSS and JS file with the HTML file, then all these three will work together, right? Now, for that, for linking a CSS file, you will use a link tag. For linking
Yes,
a
sir.
for linking JavaScript file, you will use the script tag,
Script tag
right? My question is, where you write the script tag in the HTML file?
in the body tag inside the body.
So any other place can you write?
Yes, sir. I have also wrote this by using the extension.
Okay.
So currently I'm unable to recall the extension name,
Hmm.
but I think it can be also used by using the extension.
Okay. So you said initially that you have used inside the body tag. Why we should use inside the body? Why should we use the script tag to link the JavaScript file in the body tag of the HTML? What is the reason?
Sir, I think if we use this in the body tag, na, it will make our web page so much creative
Mm-hmm.
rather than if we use on another places.
Mm.
So
Okay.
for making it most creative, that's why we use inside the body. And I have also used it, use the script tag uh, by using on another inside the tag, but it's, I think it will be work, but it's too much not look good. It not
Okay.
look too much good.
Hmm. Are you aware of these two couple of keywords, async and defer are there in the script? So while using the script tag, you can use async and defer. These are the two keywords that we use for different purposes. Do you know what is the purpose? Why we need that?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Um, do you know what is a single page application? What is a multi-page application?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference and what is the use of it?
So single page application is a such type of application. If suppose if we open any web page, like by use suppose if we make any web page by using the HTML, CSS, and JS,
Mm-hmm.
so when the web page will be open, it should be only in the one web page. Suppose if we open it by click on the link, it should be only in the one page. So it will make our it will be easily visible, and it will take less time for the user.
Mm-hmm.
So user will give more, user will give more time for towards the web page.
Okay. Okay. So do you know what is DNS search?
DNS,
Hmm.
uh, DNS, I think in computer network. uh,
No, what I'm asking is, suppose you type amazon.in in your browser. So what happens when you type? When you type amazon.in and click on enter. So what is the process that happens? What does the browser do?
uh,
You got the question, right?
yes, I cannot recall. Actually, I am at our shop, so I am unable to
Hmm. Hmm.
talk too
But
much
you
easier.
got the question, right? You understood the question, right?
Yes, sir.
So do you know what is accessibility in HTML? How to do accessibility? Are you aware what is accessibility?
Yes, sir.
What is accessibility?
So accessibility, suppose if we use any extension by using the HTML, so
Hmm.
it will suppose for accessing this web page by using the extension. So to make it accessible, suppose if we use the link tag, yeah, script tag. So for
Hmm.
making it accessible on another web page, so it's called accessibility.
No, that is not the right answer. I will tell the right answer, but that is not what is accessibility. Okay. Um. Okay. Do you know anything about how to make your application secure? Suppose I create a application.
Yes, sir.
You know any
We have
ways
to
in
make our
hmm,
application secure by spooling
okay.
or mm, spooling, or by using firewall,
Okay.
spooling, firewall, DNS spoofing, DNS,
Mm-hmm.
secure socket layer,
Okay.
secure socket layer. That's enough, sir.
Okay. Anyway, these are all basics. Okay. Let's move to little CSS also. Okay. So do you know what is box sizing in CSS?
Box sizing. Yes, sir.
What is that?
So it's not any compulsion. What about the size of the box? It should be accessible by ourselves now. Suppose if we want a large box, so we create a large centimeter box like 11 into 12 into 13, yeah, 20 into 30 into 15. So it should be user dependent now.
Okay. But what is that?
What is that?
Okay. Do you know what is positions in the CSS? How to change position of a element in CSS?
No, sir.
Okay. So what are relative and absolute unit used in CSS?
Relative and absolute unit.
What are the different units that you use in CSS?
I cannot recall, sir.
Okay. Do you know what is pseudo classes and pseudo elements in
Yes, sir.
CSS?
I know about the pseudo classes.
Okay, tell me about it.
Sir, pseudo class is a duplicate class
Mhm.
which will be created by ourselves, which is similar to the one class. So pseudo class is a basically duplicate class.
Hmm.
हाँ भैया, हल्दी पांच वाली होगी नहीं भैया? हल्दी पांच वाली नहीं भैया घर पे हैं।
Okay. What is pseudo element in that case?
सर pseudo element क्या करते
Not sure.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Okay. So what are the different kind of selectors you can use in CSS?
Selected, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, actually, I have working in non-tech field for 3 months, so uh, I have forgotten all the things.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. So we'll do one thing. Let's move to JavaScript. Okay. So it will be a little easier for you. Okay. Um.
If you want, sir, if we want to discuss on the SQL, sure, it's too much good.
Okay. So okay. What we'll do is you know what are the different sorting algorithms?
Sure, yes, sir.
What kind of sorting algorithm do you know?
Bubble shot,
Okay.
merge shot,
Mm-hmm.
bubble shot, merge shot, tree.
Sorting. I'm asking sorting.
Not. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Bubble shot, merge shot, or shot and bubble shot, merge shot. Shot. Only two, sir. I can recall.
Okay. So do you know how to calculate the time complexity of any algorithm of any? Suppose I'm having two loops. What will be time complexity of that? So suppose
No,
I'm
sir,
giving
repeat.
you a array inside array. So you want to, if you have two loops or three loops, what will be the time complexity of that particular function if I'm having more than one loop?
Sir, for the two loop, I think the time complexity is big O of n square.
Okay. Okay. Have you created APIs in Java?
API? No, sir.
You are not. So you know only basics, kind of basics only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, got it.
And I have core knowledge of the SQL.
Okay. Do you know how to, let me recall. Okay. You know JavaScript also, right?
Only basics.
Basics you know of JavaScript. Okay. So what the difference between let, const and var?
Uh, that const and var. Sir, const is used for the constant variable, I think.
Okay. And let,
And var is used for the such type of variable uh, whose value should be vary.
is it?
And I cannot know about the lets.
Okay. You might have used a lot of array methods, right? In Java also and JavaScript also. Same array methods are there, right? So there is a method in JavaScript that is called splice, right? Have you heard about it?
Sir, if you go through with my resume, na, I have not mentioned the JavaScript in that.
Okay. No, I'm asking in Java also. You have used a lot of array
Okay.
methods, right? So you might have something called slice, something called splice, right? Can you tell me what the difference between splice and slice methods?
Sir, I think for the slice, it's similar to the thread,
Mm-hmm.
which I think which I will be using in the database. It's similar
Mm-hmm.
to the thread.
Okay.
Like on the thread, like IRCTC will be work is similar to the slice. And for the split, I think for the huge data, we use the split. And for the multiple data, for multiple user, we use the slices similar to the thread.
Okay. So you know how to clone an object, whether in JavaScript or Java, whatever.
No, sir.
You're not aware of it. Okay. Do you know what is deep copy? What is shallow copy?
Yes, sir.
What is deep copy and what is shallow copy?
No, sir.
You're not aware of it. Okay. And do you know anything on Angular or React or any other stuff from frontend? No.
No,
Okay.
no.
You have created microservices? No, right? You have not created micro. You know about CRUD operations, right?
Yes, sir.
CRUD operations. In Java, you might know, right? CRUD operations like
No, sir.
create, update, delete. So what are the different
Yes, sir. Create, update, delete. I know. CRUD. It's in the SQL, I think.
okay, no, that is only for the queries you are referring to. Okay, so you have not done those part in Java also, right? Node also you
Sir,
have not.
I have done these parts in the SQL.
Okay. So in basically in the SQL, you
Upload,
just
delete, truncate, update.
hmm. So only you have done in the SQL part only, where you have done the run the queries and then fetch the data and then you have shown, right? For the all this operation. Got it. Okay. 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 So I have done with my questions. And you have any questions for me?
Uh, yes, sir. I have only one question.
Mm-hmm.
Can we schedule this whole interview again on the Monday?
Yeah, we will do
If
it.
it's possible.
Yes, yes, we will do it again. Any other questions do you are having?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any other questions?
No, sir. I doesn't have any kind of question.
Then now,
Whatever, so whatever I will know, na, I will tell genuinely rather than I will do cheating.
okay,
Whatever everybody do.
okay. So I was going through your resume. Let's come to your resume first. We have to change your resume a lot, okay? Because your resume is not kind of ideal fit for to get shortlisted in companies. Not only most of the students have similar resumes because they are not aware of industry standard resumes. So I will share with you some industry standard templates so that we can prepare your resume nicely. Okay, so that it will be getting shortlisted shortlisted quite easily. Okay, so I just open few resumes for you, and I will compare your resume with another resume, or maybe I'll compare my resume with your resume, so that
अभी भैया नहीं है बाहर सर जस्ट गिव मी
what?
हेलो हाँ भैया भैया अभी नहीं है अभी घर पे हैं भैया घर पे है ना हाँ भैया भैया के पास मिला के पूछ लो हाँ चलो ठीक है अभी 2 मिनट तो 2 मिनट में हम बात कर रहे हैं अभी कहीं बिजी हाँ 2 मिनट हेलो हेलो आपका नंबर दे दो
Yeah, yeah. 1 second.
हेलो यस सर
Okay, so others, can you see my screen, right?
यस सर
You see, this is your resume. There are certain problems in your resume, and you have to add more details, okay? So that it will become better. Hmm? So first of
यस
all,
सर
Never use image. Okay, never use images in resume.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is one thing. Second thing is that you just see, I will compare your resume with my resume. You have your LinkedIn profile.
Yes, sir.
You have to use your LinkedIn and GitHub links on the left or right side. You use your phone number and your email ID, location, everything, and you have to. So this is a proper format of a resume. Okay. So I am having my professional experience. So I've written, you don't have a professional experience. You are having personal projects you have done. So whatever you have done, you just write in this format. Like what is that particular application name, and then what it does, and what are the contribution you have done in that particular application, whether you have done internships or you have whatever that application you have worked on, na, how it contributed to the betterment of the application that you have to write. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, how many whatever projects you have done, those also you can write it. Okay. And the languages tools that you have mentioned, you have to mention like this. So, and education is obviously, so you can see a clear difference between my resume and your resume, right? And so you have to modify accordingly. Keep a copy of this and create a new resume with a proper template, and you can send this. So basically today, nowadays we create only single page resume, and it has to be in a proper template. And then you have to use something called ATS. You know, every company uses ATS. Okay.
Yes, sir. For
Application.
verification, I think it should be more than 70%.
Yeah.
Yeah, 80%.
Have you checked your resume? How much is the score?
No, sir.
So you can go to something called jobscan.io. That's a site where just Google search ATS proof resume or something. So that jobscan.io, you on the left side, you'll type the, or you can paste the JD. So go to LinkedIn, check the JD, whichever company you want to apply, just copy that JD on the left side, go to jobscan.io, on the left side you paste the JD, right side you upload your resume, it will give you the ATS score. Okay. See, ATS score should be 70%, that is definitely. And how you can get a score of 70% is through following a proper template. So my resume ATS score is around 75. Okay. Because I have followed a proper template. I have compared a lot of ATS proof resumes, and after that I've created my resume. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I will forward you a couple of templates and you can follow it.
Sir, please give me one suggestion.
Mhm.
I will go for the Bangalore for the preparation of the tech field because from the college, I think my college placement situation scenario is only for the 10% in the tech field.
Mhm.
And they provide such type of companies, they are not present at that moment also.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah.
It's
Either you can go to Hyderabad or Pune or Bangalore. Better you go to Bangalore or Hyderabad. Okay, any of
I
these.
will go for the Bangalore for the preparation of the tech field. So it's good for me.
Yes, yes, yes. Definitely, definitely. So more opportunities are there in Bangalore and Hyderabad. Some are there in Pune and Chennai and Mumbai also. But better to go with Bangalore.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we discussed few questions. I have to tell you the answers also. First of all, one question I asked on accessibility. Accessibility is how you can, whatever page you are developing, right, in HTML or in HTML. So when blind people or visually impaired people are there who can't see the website, for them there is something called text to speech converter. Okay. So you have to write the code in such a manner that people with visual problem can read it. That means when they type keywords in the laptop or in their phone, that particular uh, button or whatever should speak. So this is the role. If you click on the button, this should happen. Okay, that will come. So in every laptop, you either in Mac or Windows, there is something called text to speech converter. Okay, so only when your application has a good accessibility score, then only it will, the text to speech converter will use that and read it out to the people. Now understood what is accessibility is?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. One more question I asked you, script tag in the body tag, in the inside the body, we use script tag because what happens is that whenever the entire page is loaded, then we can work on
Yeah.
the page. Okay. So that's the reason in the body tag, we are having the script. One more question I asked, what is the use of async and defer keyword? Basically, async keyword when you use, it will it will not download the JS file immediately. It will wait for the HTML to be parsed, then the JS will be loaded. Okay, that is the use of async. Similarly, the use of defer tag is there is after everything is done, after the parsing is done, then the JS file will be downloaded. So that's the difference between async and defer. Okay. One more question I asked you about position on CSS. So CSS positions are static position.
Actually, sir, I did all the things, but I think
Okay,
in
no.
my education, I have gap for the 3 months. So during in the 3 months, I will forget all the things.
Okay. Okay. No problem. I'll tell you the answer. Okay. So first of all is static position, then is fixed position, then there is absolute position, then there is relative position. Okay, these are the different four kind of positions in CSS, which there are in different way or different look. In the different, all four are different, and you have to know how where you to work. Okay, one question I asked is on box sizing. In box sizing, you answered it wrong. Box sizing basically when you add padding, the size of the box will increase, right? Any HTML size. So when you use box sizing, even if you add padding and margin, the size will not increase.
Padding is used for the only border, na? Yeah, for bolding the things.
So basically, box sizing, what it does, when you add the padding and margin to the particular HTML element, it will not have any effect. Okay, else the size will increase and decrease means. So whenever you see a particular site in mobile, it will look distorted. In in tab, it will look bigger, right? The size will not be, the design will break. Okay, so that is the
Yes,
role
sir.
of box sizing. What else I asked you? Yeah, about the sorting algorithm, there is bubble sort, merge sort, insert sort, insertion sort, radix sort.
Selection shot.
Okay, selection sort, all the sorting algorithm are there. You have to, learn. And so one question I asked is on your big O law n square. You said that is correct answer.
Go and square.
Mhm. For two loops, it is big O n square. That is correct answer. You said. What I asked as CSS. What I asked more? No, right? Okay, APIs we have not worked on. You have to work on the APIs. Okay.
Okay.
So those stuff are there. Okay, and the your LinkedIn profile, you go to my LinkedIn profile, check how I have written all everything. Based on that, you can, if you want to change, you can change it. Your resume, you can use my template and you can modify your resume accordingly. Okay, never have a photo and everything. This photo is not needed, and these are all fine. I think you have taken a template from, I think, Canva, right? From Canva, I think.
Novo, sir. Novo.
Hmm. Don't use those templates. Those are not correct templates. Okay.
Okay.
I will provide you for a couple of templates, good templates. This is a very good template that I personally use it. You can use this template. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anyway, all the best for your interview. We will have one more interview where we will have coding questions also discussed. Okay, which will be more.
Sir, whenever I have feel any kind of doubt, I will contact you.
Definitely, definitely. You can contact.
Okay. Thank you, sir.